You don't have to be loud to be respected. In fact, the quietest person can command the most respect. Most people think respect comes from talking the most. They are completely wrong. I'm Daniel, and today I'll show you how to earn deep respect, even if you barely say a word. Quiet people are often underestimated, but that's actually your secret weapon. Stay until the end, because the final habit is what truly makes people look up to you. First, understand this. Respect is not about volume. It is about how you carry yourself. People don't respect the loudest voice. They respect the calmest, steadiest presence. And the best part, every single thing I'm about to show you can be done quietly. Habit number 1. Stop apologizing for things that are not your fault. Quiet people often say sorry constantly, even when they did nothing wrong. Every unnecessary sorry quietly tells people you feel small and in the way. Replace sorry with thank you. Instead of sorry I'm late, say thank you for waiting. The same politeness, but now you sound confident instead of guilty. Save your apologies for when they truly matter. Then they actually mean something. Habit number 2. Master your body language. Your body speaks before you ever do. Standtall, quietest, shoulders back, head up, chest open. Take up your space without shrinking. Slow down your movements. Quick, erosion signals nervousness and low status. Calm, slow, deliberate movement signals control. Controlled people are respected people. And hold steady eye contact. Not a stare, just a calm, unhurried look that doesn't dart away. Eyes that don't nervously flee tell people you are grounded and sure of yourself. You can say nothing at all and still command respect, just with how you hold your body. Habit number 3. Learn to set boundaries and say no without guilt. People secretly respect those who can say no. A person with no limits gets walked over. You don't need to be rude or loud about it. A calm, simple no is the most powerful. No long excuses, no over-explaining. Just a quiet, steady, that doesn't work for me. Every time you honor your own limits, you teach people exactly how to treat you. Boundaries are quiet, but they speak louder than any argument ever could. Habit number 4. Let silence do the heavy lifting. Don't rush to fill every gap. Nervous people fill every silence with chatter. Confident people are at ease in the quiet. When you pause before you speak, your words instantly carry more weight. Say less, but make every word count. Quality always beats quantity in respect. And when someone tries to provoke you, silence can be the most powerful answer of all. A calm, unbothered silence tells people you cannot be easily shaken. That earns respect. Habit number 5. Keep your word. Do exactly what you say you will do. Respect is built on reliability. Be the one person who always follows through. If you say you'll be there, be there. If you say you'll do it, every time. People may forget a loud promise, but they never forget who actually kept theirs. Your actions become your reputation, and a reliable reputation commands quiet respect. You don't have to announce it. Just keep showing up, again and again. People notice. Habit number 6. Stop chasing everyone's approval. Be okay with being disliked. The moment you stop needing everyone to like you, people start to respect you more. People who beg for approval seem weak. People who don't need it seem strong. You can be kind and still not bend yourself into knots to please everyone around you. Have your own opinions. Stand on your own values. Even quietly, that strength shows. When you approve of yourself, you stop needing the crowd to do it for you. And habit number 7, the most powerful one. Stay calm when others lose control. When everything around you turns to chaos, the calm person becomes the leader. If someone tries to anger you, do not react. A calm response is a show of total strength. The person who keeps their composure controls the room without raising their voice. Reacting to everything makes you look small. Staying calm makes you look unshakable. Calm is quiet power, and quiet power is the deepest kind of respect there is. Now let's put it all together, because these habits work best as one quiet package. You don't need to become loud, fake, or someone you're not. Stay exactly who you are. Just carry yourself with calm. Keep your word, hold your boundaries, and need no applause. Do that consistently, and respect will come to you quietly without you ever chasing it. But here's something important, so you don't misunderstand this message. Respect is not about making others feel small. It's about standing tall without stepping on anyone. True quiet strength is kind. It lifts people up while never letting itself be walked on. The goal is not to be feared. It's to be the calm, steady person others can rely on. So start small. Pick just one of these 7 habits and practice it this week. Maybe you stop over apologizing. Maybe you stand a little taller. Maybe you say one calm, notified. Each small quiet act of self-respect teaches the world to respect you right back. Let's quickly review the 7 quiet habits so they stay with you. 1. Stop over apologizing. 2. Master your calm body language. 3. Set boundaries and say no. 4. Let silence carry weight. 5. Always keep your word. 6. Stop chasing approval. And 7. The strongest. Stay calm when everyone else loses control. None of these require you to be loud. All of them quietly build unshakable respect. Most people will spend their lives shouting for attention and still never earn real respect. But not you, because now you know respect was never about being the loudest in the room. So here is my question for you, and I really want your honest answer in the comments. Which of these 7 quiet habits will you start practicing first? Tell me below. Your answer might inspire another quiet person to finally stand tall too. And if Daniel helped you today, you already know exactly what to do. Follow for more, stay calm, stand tall, and let your quiet strength speak for itself.